Think you got what it takes to lay down a winning weld? Well, Elite Welding Academy is going to be hosting our second annual welding competition on April 11th, 2026. That's about 2 months away. It's going to be all about skill, precision, and proving yourself under pressure. This competition is going to bring together high school welding students, aspiring welders, welding instructors, and industry pros for a full day of hands-on challenges, real-world weld tests, and serious bragging rights. Just like last year, we're going to have a wide range of sponsors and giveaways for this event. Obviously, the main thing is going to be the scholarships, where you can come to our school for free, which is awesome. But for all of our other competitions that are going to be going on that day, we're going to have some really great prizes from our amazing sponsors, and especially our diamond sponsor, Klein Tools. First 100 people to RSVP to this event are going to get an automatic $1,000 coupon to use for tuition if you become an EWA student. Remember, this event is on April 11th, 2026. It's about 2 months away. It's going to be held at Elite Welding Academy at the Cincinnati Campus. We hope to see you all there. And for whatever high school program brings or has the most amount of people show up to our competition, Elite's going to donate a weld machine for your school.